Every year, hundreds of climbers chase the same dream: to stand on top of the world. But in 2025, Mount Everest is different. The rules have changed, the danger has increased, and the mountain is no longer patient. Welcome to the Mount Everest 2025 expedition season. At 29,032 feet, 8,848 meters above sea level, Everest remains the highest point on planet Earth. But this year, something is shifting in climate, in climbing culture, and in survival odds. Climbing Everest is no longer just about strength. It's about timing, money, oxygen strategy, crowd management, and sometimes pure luck. 2025 is shaping up to be one of the most unpredictable Everest seasons ever. Nepal has confirmed tighter regulations in 2025. Climbers must prove they've summited at least one 6,000-meter peak before receiving an Everest permit. Mandatory insurance for rescue and evacuation. Teams must hire certified guides. No more independent amateur tourism climbing. Permit cost. Base permit remains around $11,000, but total expedition cost ranges $38,000 to $120,000, depending on service quality. Everest is officially becoming a professional mountain again, not a tourist challenge. Most climbers will still use the south side route, Nepal. Lukla, Namche Bazaar, Base Camp, Icefall, Camp 1, Camp 2, the Western Khumbu, Camp 3, the Lhotse Face, Camp 4, the South Col, and Summit. But the Khumbu Icefall in 2025 is more unstable than in previous years. Glaciers are melting faster, forming new crevasses and causing more ice collapses. Sherpas report the mountain is alive this year. It is moving. 2025 winter storms were stronger and lasted longer. This could shorten the summit window, the few days of calm weather that allow climbers to attempt the top. Less time to climb equals more crowding on the same day equals more risk, deadly risk. In 2024, several teams nearly ran out of bottled oxygen during summit pushes. So in 2025, teams are stocking more. But that adds cost, weight, and logistics challenges. Many climbers will attempt to climb with lower oxygen flow to save supply. This means slower climbing, more exhaustion, higher chance of mistakes. And on Everest, one mistake is enough. Due to glacier melt, the ice fall is thinner. The snow layer is weaker. Rocks are becoming more exposed, especially above Camp 3. Climbers in 2025 may face more rockfall than ever recorded. Everest is slowly becoming a harder, more technical climb. This is no longer the Everest of 2015. This is a new mountain. Over 300 climbers have died on Everest. Nearly 100 bodies still lie on the route, preserved by the freezing cold. In 2025, because of melting ice, more bodies are becoming visible again. Everest remembers. Expect updates on record attempts without oxygen, new rescue helicopter altitude tests, crowding conditions near the Hillary Step, whether the summit window will shrink, potential new route adjustments by Sherpas. This season will likely produce heroic summits, historic records, and sadly, tragedies. Because Everest gives everything, but takes more. So when you see photos of climbers smiling at the top of the world, remember the path they took, the thin ice, the silent bodies, the storms that decide fate, and the mountain that chooses who reaches the sky. This is Everest 2025, the most unpredictable season yet.